Welcome to our 1990 active suspension prototype over at Blackdog Performance Cars. This car is currently live on Bring a Trailer, and we're gonna go over a few of any imperfections that we see, just walk around the car and give you a first-hand point of view on it. So they only made originally about 25 of these active suspension cars. Rumor has it there's only about 4 in existence, and from what we can tell, this is the lowest mileage one around. So we're gonna first focus in on this spot right here on the front hood. There's a little scratch right here above the wheel. Gonna be hard to see, but right there, it looks like someone has touched it up. Car is the 1990. It's not gonna be perfect, but it is really, really nice. Moving along the side of the body, you're gonna see the black paint is very reflective. It's still the original paint on the car. Everything that you see on the car is exactly how it came from GM back in 1990. Still sitting on the original Goodyear tires, also provided from GM back in when the car was new. Also shows just the condition that the car was kept, garage, collected. It was always kept and stored properly. We'll work our way just around the back here as we're looking over at the rear. Overall, the car is really nice. We got a little bit of dust here. I'll clean that up, but yeah, just extremely clean. Nothing really catching my eye. Work our way over to the passenger side here. Again, all wheels are in great shape. Actually, there's nothing really jumping out to me on the passenger side either. We are located in Lincolnshire, Illinois. I'm happy to show the car in person. You're always welcome to come by, set an appointment, see the car, see the shop, and see what else we have rolling in here. And actually, we will jump in over on the interior here, and I'll jump in over to the driver's side. So again, this is a prototype example. Everything is pretty much the same as the factory ZR1, minus a few small touches that they added. Might be hard to catch this on camera, but they did add the active suspension logo right here in the center where the seat switches are. Seats do work. I'll move the passenger one as well. Recline this one as well. Yeah, all seat functions work in this on both sides. Everything does function in the car. I'll go ahead and turn it on and just run a few things here. If I can find where the key goes. All right, so we'll go ahead and put driver's window up. Passenger window goes up as well. Factory antenna still goes up and down, controlled by the factory radio. The interior is in really good shape. However, there are 2 small dimples on the passenger seat. I'm guessing someone at some point in time put a box or something on the seat. Otherwise, interior is in very, very nice condition. So under the hood, we do have the famous 4-cam 32 valve LT5 motor from the ZR1. Exclusive to the prototype, you'll see all the stainless steel lines as well as the hydraulic tank fluid for the active suspension. Continuing on around the passenger side, the passenger front of the prototype, it's also in great shape. You'll see exactly right here in the bottom actually. These are exclusive to the prototype as well as the vent on the side and the other vent up on top of the hood here. These are all exclusive to the active suspension prototype to keep the hydraulic suspension cool, keep the engine bay temps down, and keep everything rolling correctly. Hope you guys enjoyed the walk around video of our active suspension prototype. If you do have any questions, be sure to ask us, and if you'd like to see the car in person, feel free to give us a call and come out and take a look at it yourself.